Guys, I'm Jo Marie and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick little tutorial on how to slay your edges. Yes, this is not for the shy, the timid, none of that. This is going to be an edge slaying video. I'm going to show you how to do some really dramatic edges on 4C type hair. So my favorite products to lay my edges, slay them to the gods baby, are the Gots to Be Glued, and I like the yellow one. And then I also go in with my freeze spray. These are my two go-to things to get your edges slayed. If you got that 4C hair type hair, this is glue, baby. It will lay the hell out of them edges. So grab your Gots to Be. Don't be afraid, baby. You have to use this to get them to lay and stay all day. These are the two things that do it for me. And these are my tools. I like a nice edge brush, and this is the edge brush I'm using. It's just a basic, the toothbrush side and the comb side. And then I also need a nice rat tail comb with the metal at the end. That just helps give you that nice swoop. But let's get into it. I'll show you how to do it. So I'm gonna bring you up close. And I'm not even using a mirror. I'm just going to use this viewfinder, and my battery's about to die. So I'm going to be really quick. So first you take your Gots to Be gel, and I like to put some on the back of my hand like so, because this stuff is very sticky, guys. Like, it sticks. And what I like to do is actually warm it up on the back of my hands with my fingertip. Just warm it up really nice. This is way too much. I'm just gonna lay my gel down, and don't put too much in it, especially if you have like braids. I think I put too much there because it will leave like a residue. So don't overdo it. I like to do one side at a time. It just prevents the gel from drying up quickly on me. So I'm gonna go in and create my baby hair here. I like to swoop, and I like to use my finger just like that and just swoop it. And because this is a nice thick piece, I'm gonna actually do two. I like to do two swoop. I got some my edges are a whole lot shorter because I'm growing them back from my postpartum shedding. So I do have quite a bit of like short little pieces in the front. And that is what's the key to make your baby hairs really stand out and get that nice sleekness. But yeah, look at that. I'm just gonna brush that in. I like to use my comb side and just use the brush to brush it in. Now for like my little side piece, this is where I get my comb out. And I'm actually gonna just comb it and swoop it. And the thing about baby hairs, you can make them how you like them. It's no right or wrong way. Just create the style that you are going for. I know everybody always has to criticize the baby hairs, but it is our culture. I know I grew up with my mom laying our baby hairs. And that's one side. So now I'm going to focus on the middle. And I think I'm going to swoop it this way. Oh, I think I may. Actually, I'm going to swoop it this way. I'm going to do a little swirl here. And I know it's starting to, my gel is starting to dry up on me. You will find that it does that. Add some more gel. If it gets sticky like that on you, I just go in with a like a wet rag, and that takes that residue right out. But usually when it dries up clear, so you don't have to worry about that. Still using too much. Then I'll go back and forth when I feel like that little edge brush comb doesn't get the edges nice. Don't pick it up as much. I'll go in with my rat tail comb and it just does it for me. Ooh, look at that. Just missed that one spot. And you see that, the residue? So I'm just going to wet my finger and wipe that out. I'm back. And wetting it just actually smooths it down a whole lot better with this gel. I'm just creating my swirl. Going to go in with my Gots to Be freeze spray. Like this side is already dry, so I like to just take my finger and I'll spray some. Ooh, too much. Just spray some on your fingertip, and I just like to go on it like that. Rub some on it to set it in place. So guys, that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial on how to slay and lay the edges. And make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss out on a video. And turn on that post notification as well. And thumbs up if you like this video. And I'll check you in my next one. Bye. I pay full price when I'm just in your crib. I know this ain't got from the way that it smell. I'm a big stepper.